Hey there, little explorers. Today, we're learning some super cool action words hidden all around the meadow.
Butterflies are fluttering. Butterflies are fluttering. Trees are gently swaying. Trees are gently swaying. Bees are buzzing. Bees are buzzing. Are grazing in the quiet meadow. They are grazing in the quiet meadow. Birds are chirping in the trees. Birds are chirping in the trees. Leaves are rustling in the soft wind. Leaves are rustling in the soft wind. The sunrise was shining over the green hills. The sunrise was shining over the green hills.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Kiddos Knowledge World.